Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Intercom inbox triage for faster replies, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure your Intercom inbox triage for faster replies, start by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the inbox section from the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the inbox. Identify the main features available for managing conversations. Begin by setting up conversation assignment rules. Click on the Settings icon in the inbox. Locate the Assignment section under Settings. Choose how you want to assign conversations to team members. You can assign conversations based on skills, round robin, or team priority. Once you've made your selection, save the changes. Next, focus on implementing tags for better organization. Navigate to the Tags section in the inbox settings. Create tags that reflect common issues or topics. Examples include billing, technical support, and general inquiry. Make sure to apply these tags automatically when a conversation is created. This can save time and streamline your team's workflow. Now, set up automated replies for common questions. Go to the Messages section in Intercom. Create a new message that answers frequently asked questions. Set the trigger for this message to activate when specific keywords are detected. This can provide instant responses to users. Next, utilize the resolution time feature. Set goals for response times to ensure timely replies. Monitor the performance of your team in the inbox. Review the analytics provided by Intercom to track resolution times. Encourage regular feedback from your team on the workflow. Adjust the configuration based on their insights for optimal performance. Finally, consider integrating additional tools if necessary. Explore the app marketplace for integrations that can enhance your inbox triage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.